Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make quinoa. Yeah, man,
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
So what is quinoa? Quinoa is similar to rice. It is a seed-like plant, and if cooked properly, you'll get the right consistency and texture that you're looking for. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this quinoa, not only the regular way, but a lemon and herb style. And honestly, you'll see lemon in a rice or quinoa, but trust me, it works. If you like lemons, you like this. You know what I say? So, you know, once upon a time, quinoa used to be in the back of the shelves, but now more and more people are moving towards a healthiest lifestyle, and those countries that used to have quinoa can no longer afford it because it used to be quote unquote poor man's starch. You know what I say? But now quinoa they at the top of the line, and it push the rice more and more. So show them how to do the quinoa Morris time way. So forward, let me show you what go on. So we have here a cup of quinoa. So you're gonna treat it like rice, so to speak, right? Just gonna rinse that off because quinoa tends to be a bit bitter. So you wanna get rid of some of that bitterness. Get a bit of that starch off, right? So now that this is washed, we're gonna leave that to drain. And in the meantime, we're gonna prepare the broth for it. We're gonna go in with a lemon, right? We're gonna add the juice of half of that lemon straight into a cup of water. So this here is some vegetable stock that I pre-made and put them in my freezer. If you don't have these containers like I do, this is from a baby bullet, you can use ice tray, right? Or any other small containers that you have. I'm just gonna scoop that out. The vegetable stock will give it a nice flavor because you want to flavor the quinoa as much as possible. And if you want to know how to prepare vegetable stock, I have a video out on how to prepare chicken stock. You can just minus the chicken bones from that and you get the vegetable stock, right? So I'm going in with 2 of these because I want 2 cups of liquid in total. To that I'm gonna add half teaspoon of sea salt. So a sprinkle of black pepper, this is optional. 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil. Half teaspoon of dried or fresh thyme. Then I'm going to go in with half teaspoon of rosemary. I'm going to add that directly to my pot. I'm going to cover that, put it on medium and allow it to come to a boil. Now that it has come to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and add our quinoa right in. Give that a stir. And we're going to cook this on medium heat for about 11 to 12 minutes, just so the quinoa seeds can absorb the liquid and burst, right? After which, I'll show you what to do next. This is what you're left with, barely bubbling. I'm going to turn this on minimum. Bring the cooked pieces at the bottom up, and to rotate the ones that are not cooked, down. So we're going to steam this for 12 more minutes and then I'll show you what the end product looks like. And there you have it, how to prepare quinoa here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel on the gravel and go and big up on yourself.
See you another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.